Have you ever noticed that the quietest person in the room is sometimes the most powerful person?
That's true. While everyone else is talking, that person is watching, listening, and understanding.
Many people think power comes from being loud.
But real power often comes from self-control, confidence, and silence.
Quiet people don't waste energy trying to impress everyone.
They focus on learning, growing, and making smart decisions.
And when they finally speak, people listen.
Because their words carry weight.
In today's conversation, we'll explore why quiet people are often more powerful than they seem.
You'll learn useful English, powerful life lessons, and discover the hidden strength of silence.
So sit back, relax, and let's begin.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another English podcast.
We're happy you're here with us today.
Today, we're talking about a very interesting topic.
Yes, we're going to talk about why quiet people are often more powerful than people think.
That's a topic many people can relate to.
Definitely.
In today's world, people often believe that loud people are strong.
They believe that the person who talks the most is the leader.
They think confidence means speaking all the time.
But real life often tells a different story.
Exactly.
Some of the most successful, respected, and intelligent people are actually very quiet.
That's true.
They don't speak just to feel silence.
They don't feel the need to impress everyone.
And they don't waste energy trying to get attention.
Yet, people respect them.
People trust them.
People listen when they speak.
Have you ever met someone like that?
Yes, I have.
Me too.
There was a manager at my old workplace.
Was he very talkative?
Not at all.
Really?
Yes, most of the time he listened.
Interesting.
During meetings, everyone shared ideas.
And what did he do?
He stayed quiet and listened carefully.
Then what happened?
At the end of the meeting, he spoke for only a few minutes.
And?
Everyone listened carefully because his words were clear and meaningful.
That's a perfect example.
Quiet people often think before they speak.
And that makes a huge difference.
Many people speak first and think later.
Which sometimes creates problems.
Exactly.
Quiet people usually do the opposite.
They think first.
Then they speak.
Let's repeat an important phrase.
Think first, speak later.
Think first, speak later.
Again?
Think first, speak later.
Excellent.
One reason quiet people are powerful is because they are good listeners.
Listening is a skill that many people underestimate.
Everyone wants to talk.
But not everyone wants to listen.
That's true.
When you listen carefully, you learn more.
You understand people better.
You notice important details.
And you make fewer mistakes.
Exactly.
Quiet people spend more time observing.
Observation is a powerful skill.
Quiet people notice body language.
They notice emotions.
They notice patterns.
And they often understand situations more clearly.
Let's repeat another useful phrase.
Quiet people observe more.
Quiet people observe more.
One more time.
Quiet people observe more.
Great.
I think observation is becoming more important today.
Especially in a world full of distractions.
Phones,
Notifications.
social media.
Endless videos.
Many people are distracted all the time.
Which makes deep thinking difficult.
Quiet people often avoid some of that noise.
Because they value peace.
And peace helps people think clearly.
Exactly.
Another reason quiet people are powerful is emotional control.
That's a very
Welcome back to our conversation about why quiet people are more powerful.
In part 1, we talked about listening, observation, emotional control, and inner confidence.
Today, we're going to explore something surprising.
Many quiet people are actually excellent communicators.
That's interesting because most people think good communicators talk a lot.
Exactly, but communication is much more than talking.
Communication also includes listening,
Understanding,
observing.
choosing the right words.
Quiet people often do all of those things very well.
Because they think before they speak.
Imagine two people having a conversation.
One person talks all the time.
The other person listens carefully.
Which person learns more?
Usually the listener.
Exactly.
Quiet people often learn valuable information because they listen more than they talk.
And information is power.
That's a great point.
The more you understand people, the better you can communicate with them.
I think many people make the mistake of speaking too quickly.
Especially when emotions are involved.
They react before thinking.
And sometimes they regret their words later.
Quiet people usually avoid that problem.
Because they pause before speaking.
Let's repeat a useful phrase.
Pause before speaking.
Pause before speaking.
Again.
Pause before speaking.
Excellent.
That small habit can improve communication dramatically.
It can also improve relationships.
That's true.
People feel respected when they are heard.
Everyone wants to feel understood.
Exactly.
Quiet people often make others feel comfortable because they listen without interrupting.
That's becoming rare these days.
Very rare. Many people are waiting for their turn to speak.
Instead of truly listening.
Quiet people often listen to understand, not just to reply.
That's a powerful difference.
Very powerful. I once had a teacher who rarely raised his voice.
Really?
Yes.
What made him special?
Students respected him because he spoke calmly and clearly.
He didn't need to be loud.
Exactly.
That's another secret of quiet people.
What's that?
They understand that volume and power are not the same thing.
That's a great lesson.
Loudness gets attention.
But wisdom earns respect.
Let's repeat that.
Wisdom earns respect.
Wisdom earns respect.
One more time.
Wisdom earns respect. Excellent.
Quiet people often become strong leaders too,
Some people may find that surprising,
because many people imagine leaders as loud and dominant.
but some of the best leaders are calm and thoughtful.
They listen to their team.
They consider different opinions,
They make careful decisions.
and they don't panic under pressure.
That's very important. A panicked leader helps everyone else stay calm.
Exactly.
Panic spreads quickly.
But calmness spreads too.
I like that idea.
Calmness is contagious.
Let's repeat it.
Calmness is contagious.
Calmness is contagious.
Again.
Calmness is contagious.
Great.
Quiet leaders. Welcome back to the final part of our conversation.
Today, we have explored many reasons why quiet people are often more powerful than they appear.
We talked about listening,
Observation,
emotional control,
confidence,
leadership,
personal growth.
and now we arrive at the most important lesson.
Real power is usually quiet,
That sounds simple.
but it is a life-changing idea.
Many people spend years trying to look powerful.
They try to impress everyone.
They want attention,
Approval,
recognition,
validation.
but quiet people often choose a different path.
They focus on becoming powerful instead of looking powerful.
That's a huge difference.
A very huge difference.
Looking successful and being successful are not always the same thing.
Looking confident and being confident are not always the same thing either.
Quiet people understand this.
They understand that real growth happens privately,
One book at a time,
one lesson at a time,
one habit at a time.
one day at a time.
Small improvements create big results.
Exactly.
Many people want immediate success.
Successful people understand patience
Quiet people are often patient.
because they focus on progress instead of attention.
Let's repeat a useful phrase.
Focus on progress.
Focus on progress.
Again,
Focus on progress.
excellent.
I think patience is one of the most underrated qualities today.
Definitely.
Everyone wants fast results,
Fast success.
fast money,
Fast recognition.
but life usually works differently.
Meaningful success takes time
Quiet people often understand that better than others,
because they are willing to work quietly for long periods.
even when nobody is watching.
Exactly.
That requires discipline.
And discipline creates results.
I also think quiet people are often mentally strong.
Very strong.
Why?
Because they spend time alone with their thoughts.
Many people fear being alone.
But quiet people often become comfortable with solitude.
They learn about themselves,
They understand their strengths,
their weaknesses,
their goals.
their values.
Self-awareness is a powerful advantage.
Very powerful.
When you understand yourself, you make better decisions.
Better decisions create a better life.
Exactly.
Quiet people also understand the value of peace.
That's one of their greatest strengths.
They don't fight every battle.
They don't react to every comment
They don't argue with everyone.
because they know their energy is valuable.
Let's repeat another phrase.
Protect your energy.
Protect your energy.